Did you know that in 1983, dozens of pigeons mysteriously vanished into New York's abandoned Majestic Theatre during the worst blizzard in decades? What happened next still haunts witnesses, seeking shelter from the brutal storm. Michael Chen pushed through the theatre's heavy doors. Inside, his flashlight revealed blood-soaked playbills scattered across the floor. The beam caught something else, dozens of lifeless birds arranged in perfect geometric patterns, forming what looked like ancient ritual symbols. Most disturbing were the witness accounts. Locals had seen the pigeons flying in precise formations for days, like they were being controlled by something inside the building. When police investigated, they found the birds' bodies, but their blood was completely drained. Have you ever witnessed animals behaving strangely before something horrific happened? Share your story below.